Bridges goes to school. Let me read a few passages about Ruby Bridges so y'all can see the illustration, Michael. Just from looking at that picture, what do you think's going on? Somebody tell me. Jamari. Only white people can go to school. What else you see? What you think you see in that picture? Michael?
They are being mean to white people.
They're being mean to black people. What else, Jamari?
White people should not do food.
Okay, let's read the sign. What does the sign say?
We want white kids in our community.
What does this one say?
We want to go to school with Negroes.
The word is Negroes. We won't go to school with Negroes. So that sign means we won't go to school with blacks. How would you feel if you pulled up to the school tomorrow and somebody was holding a sign like that at Arcadia? You would feel sad? Embarrassed? Upset? Yeah. Well, that's what Ruby Bridges had to go through as a 6-year-old, just because she wanted to go to school. You think that was right? No restaurants.
It's like white only.
Whites only. So a lot of the restaurants and hotels and places that we go together wasn't like that when Ruby Bridges was a little girl. And in some places, black people were not allowed to eat in the same restaurants as white people or go to school with them. Black children and white children could not go to the same schools. This word is called segregation. Say that word with me.
Segregation.
It means blacks and whites have to be separate. Say that. Blacks and whites have to be separate. That means segregation. Say the word. Segregation. Separate. That's what that means. Right. Okay. But the United States government said segregation is wrong. People should live where they want, and people should eat where they want, and children should go to school where they want. So they created desegregation. Say desegregation.
Desegregation.
So desegregation meant that everybody can come together regardless of their race, regardless of the color of their skin. So segregation is what? Separate. That means blacks have to be over here, whites have to be over here. You can't go to the same schools or restaurants. You have to be separate. That word is called what? Segregation. But desegregation allowed this. So what happened when it was desegregation? What could they be together at? So which one? Playground, very good. Church, all that. So what do you